Get your dog in the down stay position. For those who don't know what down stand is, down stand the ability to remain relaxed and still while waiting for a command or while in the quiet position. It can be a difficult skill to teach, but with patience and persistence, you can master it. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Be consistent. Roll your dog for stand down when you say down. And give them a treat or verbal praise when they do. Use the same command every time you want them to down stay. 2. Start small, but begin by practicing down stand for a short period of time. Success is just a few seconds, and your dog becomes more comfortable with the man. Gradually increase the length of time they stay down. 3. Find a quiet spot. Choose a spot in your home or yard that is quiet and free from distraction. This will help your dog to stay focused and relax while they wait for you to give a command. 4. Use a clicker train can be a helpful tool for encouraging your dog to stay down. When they are done, give them a treat and click the click. Repeat this process a few times a day to reinforce the command. Be patient. Down stands a gradual process that may take some time. Don't get discouraged your dog doesn't get it right away. Keep practicing and reward them for staying down. Click this video to see how I made my dog to stay in his seat.